Aries, this is your channel messages for the 1st of July. Aries, it is Canada Day. Yes, it is. So please just take a moment to stop all the panic from all the tariffs. Stop all the panic from what your baby daddy or your husband is doing. And just take a moment to not think about why is it that Kanye West still can be Kanye West. Just reflect on what it is to be Canadian today, how privileged and how prideful you should be that you're a part of a nation who cares for their people. Free healthcare, free dental plan. You should know that other countries has gained independence and have yet to accomplish the things that Canada accomplished. Yet there's other countries who don't have that much blood on them hands. But today's not about all the wrongdoings that Canada has done, but all the wrongdoings that they will be doing in the future in order to protect thy Canadian. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Your channel message is on the Page of Pentacles, Illuminati. So I'm getting a young scholar, a young mason. We also have healing hearts and the Wheel of Fortune. So I'm getting fortune is turning in your favor. I'm getting, in order for you to be on, somebody has to be sacrificed. In order for you to get a place, somebody has to get evicted. In order for you to get a job, somebody has to get fired. Me getting the law of karma or the law of duality. Or what the law is, we don't know anymore because people don't make albums anymore. Me getting that's how life goes. That's the cycle of life. That's the moon and the sun. The eclipse happens when both persons can actually get on at the same time. Divine timing. You and somebody get pregnant at the same time. You and somebody get a job at the same time. When they buy the first house at the same time. It can either go as an eclipse or it will go as the sun and the moon. In order for you to get some getting for 5 years, you never had anything. You see, for 5 years, somebody had everything. Or they were on the peak of them career. Me getting no somebody homeless and you have everything. And that's how it will go. You want to be on a stage, somebody for fall off of the stage for that to happen. You want to be a singer, somebody for dead first. Again, it's all about sacrifice or recycling of energy. So I'm getting, if you never have love, for 6 years, a girl, she get engaged, she get proposed, so she get married. For 6 years, you never have no love. For 6 years, she meet her man, she got engaged, she had the wedding, she had babies. Now at the end of 6 years are complete, done. Now her man a left her. Now the house what them buy. That's why you should never ever, even your exes. I'm not going to say to wish them well, because why would they be in your wishes in the first place when they're your ex? Right? But that's why you not feel bad when people move on with people. Because that is their beginning. What is their ending? So I'm getting a single for 5 years. Okay, for example, take a look at it. And I'm not gonna say something you don't like if you don't want it. Okay, when Justin Bieber did meet Haley, what was Selena Gomez doing? Nothing. She had a ball. She had got through kidney transplant. She almost dead. All these type of things. And him had love. And he was going out with her. And everything was great. And Selena Gomez was a fucking loan. She was alone. Rima wasn't fucking there to tell her to calm down. Selena, move! Rima wasn't there to tell her to fucking calm down. She did alone. She's single. Now, as soon as she get Benny Blanco after how much years, Justin Bieber, you know him get pregnant and know him open up a vet about him unhappy marriage. Okay, but Selena Gomez wanna know him unhappy all this time. She was single. She saw her ex moving on. So you date a man and say you date a man. And after him date you, him propose to the other girl after you. And me getting you alone for 10 years, alone for 5 years. It was terrible. And them a bill. Wedding, picture, whatever, memories, vacation, honeymoon, kids, them buy a house, them buy a car. At the end of 6 years, him no want them having marital problems. Him think it's a mistake. At the end of 10 years, him no want it again. At the end of 10 years, she cheat. And me getting when that happen and that crumble, you get it for your love. Your love life like a start while somebody else love life crash. So I'm getting something like that, okay? Or I'm getting somebody young is giving up them slot for you because them say me young, I have time. Something weird like that. Yeah, me getting something like you're an adult, you have to wait for another adult to crash. Unless you have a child. You can't switch with the child until the child gets older. Me getting something about somebody young. Them younger than you, them are gonna switch with you. Them are gonna switch with you to give you time. But me getting them young. So, for example, okay, me getting like, say you're, I don't know. Say you're 40 and somebody at 25. At 40, you're supposed to have your life figured out. You're supposed to have almost your retirement plan in check. You're out, at least you have your first solid place, your car, these things at 40. Beginning somebody at 25, and somebody can have a chance to do what they need to do to get a house and a car by 40, but them say me at 25, me have time. For example, maybe them is 20. So somebody at 20 years old, them say, I have time. Me can give 5 years. But for the 5 years, me being 20, me can't work. Yeah, but I'm 20 anyways. So I'm not sure what kind of life average 25-year-olds are living, but me getting a saying, I will sit it out for 5 years. I would have been in college anyways. I'm just sit it out. Like giving somebody else time. If the person promised to take care of you during that time, you'll give them the time. Something like that. I'm getting Illuminati, okay? Let's go. We are doing Aries, the Emperor. First card out is the Two of Pentacles. Yeah, me getting a switch. Somebody switching with you. Me literally get somebody say, take my age, give me your age. And in 5 years, they give me it back. Or in 5 years, me switch again. But for the time, I don't know, me getting like you're 80 and somebody's 20. And the 80-year-old want 5 more years. Not 5 more years as in live 5 more years. I want 5 years to make money and grind and live life again. I'm getting a saying, yeah, most stay 80 for 5 years. But you have to take care of me during when you're 25. Something weird shit like that. The Two of Pentacles. We have the Four of Wands. Yeah, something about a living arrangement. You have to live with somebody. We have a Ten of Swords. We have the Empress. And we also have the Three of Cups. So I'm getting something about women, a lot of women here. I'm getting a switch. Or I'm getting, it could be something about celebrity. I'm getting this girl who's supposed to be a celebrity, but she have a lot of friends. And I'm getting you used to be very extroverted. Then you became very introverted. I'm getting you went out and you didn't meet these girls. I'm getting you usually very extroverted, you meet these girls. I'm getting you swap destinies with one. I'm getting after you meet this girl, or you drink with her, or you party with her, you became introverted and she became extroverted. But I'm getting she fall off. Because she had drink too much, with the girl them too much. And I'm getting you start stay alone. Because the Empress looks obvious, she look more valuable than these women. But I'm getting at the time, you were the extroverted one. And the girl, she was kind of introverted. She never to talk too much, but she was a rising star. Me getting a meet her, I don't know if you'll get drunk with her. Me getting a switch with her. And you became introverted. Yeah, me getting something about the switch, the swapping. Me getting swapping. That's how you do it. You have to swap with them. It could be like tit for tat. I'm getting something like you have to swap with them. That's why you try for destiny swap. You have to swap with them. The Two of Pentacles clarified by the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm getting a swap with somebody. If this is a man, did you swap with a girl? Like you say, you could have been a girl. Like you say, okay, you want this? I'm going to make you be one man for 2 years. I'm going to be a girl for 2 years. And at the end of 2 years, we switch back. Something like that. Four of Wands is clarified by the High Priestess. It's a girl. It's a girl. The High Priestess is also in blue. Yeah, me getting something about one guy say, you want to do this, you want to do this, me can get you in. But you have to be a man. I don't know, like him say, you can be a man for 2 years and will be a girl for 2 years. At the end of 2 years, we have to switch back. Me getting the girl spend 2 years as a man, but the man did only spend 1 year as a girl. Then he went back to being a man. So now you had, no, she did spend 2 years. I don't know. They're getting an extra, somebody have to spend an extra year being a girl in order for you to go back, to switch back. The Ten of Swords is clarified by the Hangman. Yeah, me getting something can't reverse. Because me getting a deal was 2 years. But the girl, the 2 years, the man only did 1. The Three of Cups is clarified by the Devil. Because he went back to fucking girls. Me getting after 1 year of being a girl, you did 2 tempted by a woman and you went back. You said, yo, fuck the wig, fuck all of this, fuck. I want to have sex with women. I want to have sex. I don't know if you and the girl was in communication with each other. I don't know. It's like somebody say after 2 years, meet me back at this place. Me I gonna be one girl. I'm a girl, but me gonna be a man. You are one man, you gonna be a girl. And in 2 years, you meet me back, but you just as a man and me just as a man. With a girl. Or in 2 years, you never came back. Because me getting somebody who start get attracted to women again, so then they stop the whole facade. The Empress is clarified by the Hierophant. Yeah, it's a girl. She was a girl by birth. The Hierophant. And again, the Taurus card is one of the only zodiac signs in the deck. They're male and female. The Empress is Libra, Taurus. The Hierophant is Taurus. The Pope is male. Empress is female. So Taurus is one of the only signs who can get what we're doing both. Scorpio is one thing. It's the Scorpion. Libra, maybe Libra can get away with it. Maybe something about you and a Libra man. You're Taurus, something about you and a Libra man. Because the Libra is Libra and the Libra is the Empress, man and woman. Yeah, Libra and Taurus rule Venus, the sign of love. Aries is only Aries, the Emperor. It doesn't have a female counterpart. Cancer. Okay, maybe Cancer could do it too. Because Cancer is the High Priestess and Cancer is a Chariot. Okay, Cancer, Libra, Taurus, both can do man and woman. That doesn't mean they're bisexual, people. I know Pride was yesterday, but put your penises and your vaginas away, okay? Gemini. No, Gemini is the twins. But Gemini have one card with a man and a woman. So is this a man and a woman sharing the same identity? The man have Vanessa Carby, and me as a girl have Vanessa Carby. It could be that because Gemini is a twins in one card. Taurus is 2 different cards. So it can be a split personality or 2. Gemini would only be 1 because there's no other card that represents Gemini. Capricorn is 1 card, the Devil. That's Capricorn, 1 card. There's no female. There's female and me. Okay, so Gemini and Capricorn. Something about you when I share the same identity. When I share the same SIN number. When I share the same address. Something's being shared in one. Not in 2 different ones. Whatever that means. We have Illuminati. I don't know what this is, but this is just not what I signed up for. And I don't want to do it right now. It's very non-candidate. We have curse. Sounds like a fucking curse to me. We have Mercury. So we got something about a Gemini and a Virgo. We have Cancer. Yeah, Cancer is the one. Cancer is a Chariot and Cancer is the High Priestess. Cancer can be male and female. We have Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. So I'm getting something about a Cancer will be confirmed today. We have Leo. Something about a police officer. We have Pisces and we have the soul was sold. So you could also be dealing with a Pisces. Pisces is the fish. Pisces is the moon card. We have Cancer, Leo, and Pisces. So put the zodiac sign in where it fits in. I'm going to leave it here. Aries, the Emperor. Until next time, bye.